Hi there, this is Tana Schaller. Today I'd like to talk to you about the language that connects, and particularly about the amount of detail that you give when you reveal yourself to another. So if you want to connect with another person, you want to reveal yourself and tell about your own life, about what matters to you, your aspirations, your subjective experiences, and so forth. And there's a middle path that will connect you. So you don't want to give too much detail. Too much detail, you went to the doctor and you took the taxi and the color of the cab was that and the driver looked like that, and it's just, you're going to lose people in the story. So you want to keep to an essential that makes the point that you want to make and that confers the message that you want to confer with just enough detail, like a map. Think of your story like a map for your life, for your situation. It's a representation, and as with any map, you can zoom in and zoom in and zoom in, and if you zoom in too close, you see detail and you don't know where you are because you lose track of the big picture. So you don't want to do that. You also don't want to zoom out so much that you speak about your life in very vague terms, only in symbols or metaphors, and you can reveal yourself this way for 2 hours and the other person still won't know anything about you. They won't know what you do. They don't know what you like. They don't know what your fears or your hopes are, or what are your best embodied activities, or what kind of meditation do you do. So you want to put enough detail, but not too much, and make it objective, make your story objective enough that it gives substance and it gives the other person an idea about who you are. And you also want to give enough subjective experience. So you talk not only about the factual, who said what to whom and who did what. You can tell the story of the project that you worked on and the people who collaborated with you, which is it could be like a journalistic, factual narrative, but also what appeals to you. Give value judgments to what you notice, what your hopes are, what your triumphs are, what your disappointments are, what your dreams are, what your fears are, what angers you, what saddens you. What creates emotional connection is revealing one's own experiences with the right amount of detail. You want detail that gives some pulp, some flesh to your story, but not too much to get lost in the details. Alright, so I hope this is helpful to you. Have fun using the right language to connect to the loved ones in your life, or the people that you want to bring closer together with friendships and collegiality and so forth. All the best to you. Mwah. Bye.